Good evening, good evening. Welcome to Tammy's Sunday's Kitchen. First of all, as I always say, I just want to thank God for my being here today. I just want to thank God for blessing me once again to be in front of my beautiful audience. I just have to always give him the glory, the honor, and the praise. Well, let's get with it. On today, I will be making a special lasagna for y'all today, which is going to be delicious, cheesy, and juicy. So as I say always, let's get to it.